Hi folks, we're here checking on the boat. Do not let this sunny weather fool you. It is not warm, it is not pleasant, it hasn't been warm, and it has not been pleasant. 2 days we had temperatures around 80, low 80s, and it was good. One of those days I was committed all day. The next day we went to Buckeye Lake, and that was a bust. So we're checking on the boat here. Got a few things to do. Got our above ground pool going on here. We want to empty out. And do a quick walk around. Holes in the tarp, of course. Cheap tarp. Our nav light's going to be good. It's poking through there, so people will be able to see where it is. You know, we got in trouble for that one night. Our light, our stern light's what we got in trouble for. Anyway, even though we was the only person on the body of water, to include the game warden, he wasn't even on the water. He was hid in the brush on me, then blinded me with his lights. But anyway, got in trouble for didn't have the stern light turned on, the biggest bug attractant on the water. So here we are, getting ready to renew the license tags for the trailer. They went out last November. I routinely don't renew them until spring. They used to prorate that, and the state caught on to it, and they stopped that. Got new tires all the way around. Looks like they're holding air good. Quick look under here, maybe. Boat registration ran out this year, end of the month. So we got to renew the boat also. Another hole in the tarp. But anyway, like I said, this weather, don't kid yourself. Looks beautiful out here. Beautiful clear blue sky. Cold, miserable, windy, as it is every day up here. We're going to have a quick look here. Oh. Got a little water in it from the holes in the tarp. Another hole in the tarp. So like I said, now look at her. She done bailed out. Like she did that night she heard the screaming up there on the lake, Squatch Point. Locked herself in the blazer. Locked me out. But yeah, folks, seriously. I'm guffing, raising a stink here, but it has. It's been miserable. It's still miserable. Can't say, 22. 2022 is when it runs out. When it ran out. But got to get it re-registered, do it both online, ain't a big deal. Like I said, I usually waited till spring to do the trailer, and they prorated. Well, like I said, they figured that business out and they stopped that. Now you pay full fee, full year, no matter when you get it done. So, but, and to add to our misery, we're under severe freeze warnings tonight. Today is the 25th of April, and freeze warnings. So the boat awaits. That's just how nice this weather is. So we'll be back with you folks just as soon as the weather gets fit.